Delicious, delicious tea. Welcome, I am Christian. This is Lazy Devs. And we're not lazy, we're very, very resourceful, I guess. I still don't know. I know I was in German. Anyways, so yeah, we're working on our Pico-8 tutorial. And oh man, this game is getting so good. Oof. So we're still working on the juiciness, on the particles, and as you can see, things are looking really nice, and this is starting to look like a really awesome game. But there's now some things that we want to add. So what we want to add is we want to have power-ups, and we want the power-ups, so when you pick the power-ups up, we want to have, okay. Yeah, that's also something we have to do. So something when I noticed when we did the explosions is we made sure that there is like that we don't explode too much, and that's something I think we should make sure that we're not overdoing as well here. So let's see. There, shake. If shake equals 1, yeah. So if it never gets greater than 1, and that's something we should add here. Oh my gosh. So if shake is smaller than 1, then we're gonna add the shake. If the shake is already, if there's a lot of shaking going on, then we don't need any more shake. Actually, we might be tuned down even in sensitivity to 0.7. So again, when we pick up the pills, I want again some kind of like puff of smoke to appear. I'm still looking for the. Is that the right one? What was the? I think this is the mega ball. Yeah, this was the one. This is so good. I mean, there's a lot of action happening, so I don't mind too much, but maybe even slower. All right, so there is the mega ball. This is so good. So yeah, if we pick up the power ups, we want a puff of smoke to appear according to the that's kind of like the same color that the power up had, and maybe it's gonna be more vibrant than the little puff of smoke that we had. Maybe just like a big puff of smoke. So. Spawn. So this is going to be spawning a small puff. Now we're going to spawn extra. Pill puffed. Puffed in the color of the pill. So we have X, Y, and then the pill, and that's it. So we're gonna have more particles. I want them to be a bit faster. I want them to persist a little bit longer on the screen. Maybe this will be enough. This is something we're gonna have to figure out in a second here. And this is, what is this? This is the size. So let's make the size potentially bigger. Let's even make up to 4. Let's see how this will look like. And otherwise I will leave the other puffed stuff that we already had. My color. So this is going to be the variable that will save the my color. So now we're just gonna do like a very stupid if statement, and we're gonna check all the different pill types. And depending on the pill type, we're gonna show a different color. But first, let me just do one color for now. This is gonna be the red one. So we're gonna start with red. My color equals, or my call equals, so what is the red? So it's 8, or I have actually, so let's start with 8, and then it will go down to 9, and then it will go down to, no, 9 is not good. Let's go 8, 4, 2, 0. Let's make it. I don't know. Let's try this. I first want to spawn the pills, and then we're gonna see how we can tweak this. Okay, spawn pill puffed. Okay, where are we colliding with the pills? I think it's not in a draw function, but in an update function. Update 60, update start, update ball. I think it was a good idea to put the ball into this tab. No, it's actually not in the ball. When the update game, when the pad hits the pill. There we go. Check collision for pills. Power up get. There we go. And then spawn puffed. You're gonna need this. And this. .x, .y. Yeah. And .x. So we're spawning in pill puffed where the pill was and of the type of the pill. Okay, really. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, we have oh, this is so extreme. I love it. Okay, I love it. I like this the puffed, but I think it is a little bit. There's too little red in the puffed, so I'm gonna actually add some reds, some additional red entries here. So half of the lifetime it will be red. Yeah, this is a lot better. So one thing we're doing wrong here, which we also did before wrong, is we have a minimal speed. We're not randomizing the speed. We are randomizing the direction, not randomizing the speed. So we're going to randomize the speed as well. Where is it? Plus. There is plus. RMD1. So before we were always going with a certain direction at always the same speed, 1.4. But now we're going at least 0.4 and then some random number between 0 and 1. I think now it's not going fast enough. I think it needs to go faster now. Yeah, it's better now. So the explosion is bigger now. Good. Okay, so this is going well. I just remembered something very important, and I think we have to do this. The ball has changed, has to look different when there is a mega ball, because I think it's very important to understand when the mega ball is happening. So maybe we need some add some additional effects, mega ball effects. Right, so let us do, what different pills are we having? Do we have somewhere a list of all the pills that we have? Powerup, there we go. Yeah, let's get this guy. We're gonna get these guys here. You know what? I'm gonna put it in a notepad and copy them from a notepad. So 1 is slow down, 2 is life, 3 is catch, 4 is expand, 5 is reduce, 6 mega ball, and this is multi-ball. Okay. And while we add it, I also want to. Okay, so this is. Oh yeah. Okay, so they correspond to. I have to actually write down the number. The color orange. Life is white. Catch is green. Expand is blue. Reduce is black. Mega ball is pink. And multi-ball is red. Okay. No, don't save it. I have it like a little text box here. You didn't see this, guys, but I'm going to copy it here in a second. So this is, where are we having our puffed of, there it is. Okay. So this is my little thing here. So if, let's go underscore p, that's fine. If underscore p equals 1, then else if, and let's make the last one else. So so we're gonna get red as a default. And then we copy this one. And I think the red we already have figured out. So now we're going to figure out the colors for the other guys. So let's go with pink. I like for the half of the life. So pink is going to be 14, 14, 14. 14, 14, 14. And then it will turn red, I guess, right? Or maybe just gray. Maybe 13, just 13. 13. Two. It's good. Why does this guy turn 2? 4, 2? I guess that makes sense. 2, and the last one is going to be 0 as well. Okay, that's good. So black is going to be difficult because how does black get darker, right? We're going to spawn some dark smoke. That might actually go in a different direction. Let's see how this works. 5 and then 5 and 6. 5, 6. 5, 5, 6. Let's go like this. So this one actually gets brighter. It's kind of like a dark billowy smoke that kind of like clears up. That's my argumentation here. So this is the blue one. So 12, 12, 12. And then one, I guess, yeah. 1, 0. There's the green. That's going to be 11, 11, 11. And I guess the same thing. It's 3 and 0. This is going to be white. Life. Life is life. 11. No, it's 11. No, it's 7. 7, 7, 7, 6, 5, 0. Mm-hmm. And then orange. That starts at 9. 9, 9, 9. Then 4, 4, 4, 0. Let's try it like this. Oops, there's a problem here. Else. Okay, it didn't work. Something didn't work. So it attempts to get the length of the array, but it doesn't work. So I guess we didn't give it a proper. Oh, the underscore is missing everywhere. Good. It died. That wasn't very good gameplay right now. I'm just actually paying more attention to the puffs of smoke. There we go. Oh, I didn't get the power up. Okay, let's try it again. That looks nice. I like it. A bit too the slowdown is a bit too crazy. I feel like the power up could be even bigger. I feel like it's still a bit small. Let me see if we can make the particles go apart, fly apart even faster. This is the speed, right? Spawn pill puffed, yeah. Okay, so let's make it, let's add even more speed. Let's go with 1. And then I think I want to see more color variation here. So I will remove the main color, 1 entry of each main color. Because the thing is, the puffs are getting smaller as they get older. And so the initial color is more prominent anyway. So good, I love it. The Mega Ball should be really slow. Oh right, the blue puff of smoke is not really visible because the background's already blue. I was wondering why the blue one looks so weird. Yeah, it's great. I love it. What if we add even more particles to the puffs? Let's have twice as many particles. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, looks a lot better. This is so good. Love it. Great. Super good. Super nice. So now that this is over, so the death particles, the pickup particles are done. Let's maybe do the mega ball effects. Why not the mega ball effects? So I think this should be pretty easy. Instead of drawing it yellow, we're gonna draw it in a pink color. Let's try this. So first of all, I want to see where is the function where we actually launch the power-ups? Power-up get, there we go. So where's the mega ball? Mega ball, if timer mega, right? And then we're gonna go to the draw function. Balls, there we go. So 10, right, okay, so local ball call equals 10. Or bulk. If timer mega is greater than 0, then and bulk equals, and maybe you want to make later sprites, but I'm not right now on 14. And here bulk. But that's not it. I think also what I want to do is when I get the mega ball, I don't just want to change the color of the mega ball, but maybe the color and the type of particles. Yeah. So I'm going to take this thing here. I'm going to go wherever we're spawning the particles for the ball. That should be an update function, an update ball. I remember. Yeah, here. No, this is the puffed trail particles. Okay. If a timer mega, then else spawn trail. And so we're going to have like a separate spawn function for the mega ball, spawn m trail. So here, this function, we're gonna a mega trail particle. That's good. So what I'm thinking here is we're gonna make it wider. We're gonna actually go all the way to the full size of this bad boy. The type of the particle is going to be type number 3, so we're going to have actually the cloud particles as, where is it? Yeah, so 2. Spawn mega trail. Oh, wait. Is it spawn trail? Spawn M trail. Right, 0, 0, then type 2 particles. This is the, what is it? The H, that's okay. And this is the color now. We want to go 14. And, not sure. 13, 9 maybe. Oh, but 9 is already the background, so 13, 2 maybe? Something like this. I don't know. And the size is definitely going to be bigger. What are the sizes of our puffed particles? I like the puffed particle sizes. Small puff, there we go. This was a good size for these types of particles. Where is it? Where is the mega trail? There's a mega trail. Right. Okay, something is wrong in this part. 0, 0, R&D. Oh, there's one comma too much. Easy mistakes. There is. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, it's way too long. Yeah, and I think they're starting at a little bit too big of a size. It looks odd. So let's make it smaller. Let's make the lifetime longer, a lot longer. 30 or something. Whatever. Come on, let's restart. I want the mega particle. There we go. Not enough. So first let's remove this restriction. So we're spawning more particles and it has to get a lot longer there. There we go. Oh man, this mega ball is just goes on way too long. Yeah, let's tweak this right away because 900 is just way too long. So how much is it? 900 divided by 60? I just can't math. 15 seconds. Yeah. No. Like 400. This is still too long. 200. Yeah, we need to fix the blue particle. The blue particles are not looking right. Didn't launch. launch a Mega Particle. I mean Mega Ball power up. There is a Mega Ball. Yes. Yeah, that was good. I think we can still get away with 100. I mean, this is just such a devastating power up. Yeah, that seems way more reasonable. It just goes once through the stage. Oh, now things are happening on the screen. Woo. Perfect. Okay, it's enough playing. Oh man, this is getting a really nice addictive game now. Before we go, I wanted to fix the blue. I don't know how exactly we're gonna fix the blue though. Maybe just gonna turn it gray then 5. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. I don't see it. There we go. Blue there. Like this. Yeah, that's good. That's better than previously. Okay, cool. So, next episode, finally, the death animation, the death particle. Not exactly sure how I will do that. I have to think about this. Maybe some bubbles. Yeah, like drawing some circles. Let's see about that. See you next time around, guys. Bye-bye.